actual video.
Come on, do
like
it.
on a tripod.
No, just come on.
Just do it.
Come on.
Okay, fine.
Do you want to explain how it works?
Yes, this is an eye. It scans these colors and then it remembers it. And this is an arm and it moves it. Now I'm gonna wait. It's waiting for me to put this in here. Now it's scanning it. Now, I found this off of the internet. Tim bought the set, and then when we were in the mall, a guy said, "Hey, that thing can solve Rubik's Cubes." And so we looked it up, and sure enough, we had the right set, and we just followed instructions from 9 o'clock to about 2 a.m., building just the thing. And then we went online, and we followed the guy's directions on download this algorithm software and the color scanner, and then it'll figure it out and remember what's what. And right now it's scanning. It decided it didn't like how the colors were, so it's trying to redo it. Rescanning. It's got to scan all 6 sides. So once it scans all 6 sides, it'll calculate and decide if it wanted to do it or if it wants to scan over again. Right now, I think it's going. Calculated that it's going to take 24 moves. It's at move 4 right now. Move number 14. Move number 21. Final. And move number 24.
And now it's done.
Now it's done.
That is so cool.
I know. Ta-da! It didn't do its little spin thing, but if it was here, if it had done it right, this thing would be spinning. You know.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, it took us about forever to build.
Took you.
Yeah, me. I built it.
Even though you
Thanks,
would.
Tim, for being my sponsor and buying it. So probably I'll tear it down next week and build something else.
No, that's so cool.
Too bad it sucks up like 6 batteries in the course of 4 hours.
Mm-hmm.
So it's definitely something I'll turn it off. It's definitely something you'd use maybe once a day.
Yeah.